Alright people, welcome back to the channel. Another reaction. Irie-Acts. We're there again. Alright people, say they don't know. When you see the thumbnail, you see what going on the screen. Is another Pop the Balloon challenge. Lord have mercy. If you don't watch the previous reaction, you don't know how this saga go already. Lord have mercy. Father God. So troubling, big up yourself. Yeah man, big up yourself, I love the content, you understand? The Pop the Balloon channel style. People, run go take in the channel name Troubling TV. So
come to this side. Yeah. Come to this side. Introduce yourself.
Yeah man, you don't know, sir. One bomber. No other.
Bomber, alright. What type of job you do?
All type of job still, decorating. Don't know. Media person, yeah.
Media person, okay, alright. And what's your type? Come to this side. Come to this side, Maji. Introduce yourself.
Me not like that, man. You know, put yourself together. Me not like how you look. You need that haircut. Me not like nothing about you.
This side, Maji. Alright. Bless up.
That's up for.
Nobody pop their balloon. You see it? Alright, so.
How good are you in bed?
Oh, one.
One? What do you mean by one?
One good.
Sir, wait. What do you mean by one? Somebody pop this balloon.
it's a mad man this is it.
So you are telling me my rose is better than you? You are mad.
But baby girl, we are Gaza tug. And we not go to the road, alright? So you pop me call me say, you're a vendetta girl.
Novo Pandora.
People don't look like I'm mad. Yo, I'll probably watch out that one, you know. I'll probably watch out, I don't know, if because it look like it is that one you're going to interest.
It's a Yo! I didn't expect the balloon or find love, females. Are you ready? Yo, I'm in the city of Portmore, okay? Portmore is now a parish, okay? I'm moving over here. They don't have hospital, but they have everything. Parking lot, hot cars, hot girl, everything Portmore have. You see it? Ladies, it's simple. When a male walk out and you don't like him, pop your balloon, okay? Okay? And if you like him, what do? Keep your balloon.
Them girls are too simple for Portmore. Portmore has some... Okay, we can't do so much of your face. Come say that. No man, Portmore has some mad. But them girls look at, but I like. Oh people, I think him say man do some Trinidad and Tobago link up, you know. So if you're from Trinidad and Tobago and you're taking the video, I think some Pop the Balloon challenge I go over there. So Jano, just look out for that from Troubling, yeah.
And which part of there? GG Studio. You don't know. Guess what going on? Make sure to leave a like. Send Kits, we are forward. Send Vincent, we are forward. We are forward at Trinidad too.
See there.
Comment below if you know what we do at part 2 there. You see it? We need 50k likes. 50k likes
Caribbean
for part 2 from Portmore. You see it? Big up Live Boss for the visual. Big up my editor, Vaughn. You don't know. Got it night like all the time. Chips. Banana chip. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. I wanna say I'm so sorry for not posting consistently. I apologize. I know now say, really with the Pop the Balloon, Jesus Christ. Sorry. I am so sorry. Can I get a hug? Don't malice me. Come on. May I grow together. All in this. Come on, please. I can't get a hug. I nah do it again. I'm sure. Alright. That is it. Yo, big up the people them who hug them TV. I love you. You see it? Send in the first mail for me now. Wait until he reaches you. Come to this side. Yeah. Come to this side. Introduce yourself.
Yeah man, you don't know, sir. One bomber. No other.
Bomber, alright. What type of job you do?
All type of job still, decorating, don't know, media person, yeah.
Media person. Okay, all right. And what's your type?
Alright, so, like a slim thick girl,
He not even tell you no him type.
Why do you want to hear from that one? Don't say the ball and scrap it. Really?
All right, cool. All right, so shout out to social.
Alright, so, on the Instagram, approved by Bama, on the TikTok, approved by Bama,
All right, so we want to start with first. We get some pops. Use the mic here.
Alright. Start done.
All right,
Yeah.
come to this side. Right, sir. Your name, your social, and why you pop your balloon.
Hello, my name is Karian. Social Karian _OV on Instagram. The reason why I'm putting balloon, the glasses that throw me have. Why you have one? You can't see through one eye alone?
Alright, so, I can see.
So why you wear that by your face?
The glasses help me for see.
See what?
You see, yeah.
Okay.
Right now, I look upon you, Yeah, I see you in a real life.
Alright, that's it.
All right, that's why you pop your balloon because I'm glasses. You don't know?
No, I'm not know what that.
All right, so based on him appearance though, how much you rate him?
About 5?
5 out of 10.
Calm.
Yeah.
Calm.
Calm.
All right. Based on fair attire, G, what you think about it?
The girl 8, man.
8 out of 10.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
gorgeous, beautiful.
Thank you.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Move down to this side. Some to this. We'll stay here so we know. All right. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Well, she look like a mad woman, From when we see in her intro, I'm a mad.
And your social?
My name is I am Daniel _OV on Instagram. And you can find me on TikTok, Yo Girl Denine, YOGIRLDENIEL on TikTok. Rolly, give me the mic. Rolly, first, is that one fashion thing you are trying with the eyeglass? It's not working.
No, man, real glasses.
So you see out of one eye and you don't see out of the next one?
Yeah.
So you are seeing through one eye now?
Yeah, that's how I can see you.
So the two eyes are seeing?
No.
How? What are you seeing me? Do I look like 3, 2? What are I doing like?
Alright, so you are right here,
Yo, them for leave the man one eye alone. What the matter with the man in one eye for? Then they say, yeah, get me and say the man wear the glasses for to make it no ways. Him no want an eye patch. Because I feel like it's an eye patch they want him to have on. But no, not everybody want to wear eye patch. Sometimes him have on the glasses to make it actually look like him as it out of 2 eye. You understand me? I love the man is a defect that if you don't like that, move on to something else where you don't like. You get me and say, no, what I done for the man one eye. If you get me and say it's that way am I gonna do about it? Him can't do about it now. So you get me? So it's fine somewhere else way. You can you know how people stare at you and every time you want to critique people about them. Because of disability, you understand me? If you can't see out of one eye, you call it say you have. You understand that become that disability now. So you don't really want, you get me? Say I turn down people based on them disabilities. It's not something morally where you get me? Say if you don't like the person because of that, fine. But don't be dumb on that. Try find another excuse. I'm not say if I lie, but you get me say find another excuse. Or turn them down politely, I guess. Cause you get me say people have, remember say we as men, we can break down to man and feelings that them something here hurt to. You understand me? Certain things where woman say, yeah, we have feelings too. You understand when we say certain things to it, it really dig deep. Worse is a girl when really like her. You understand me? So female, let's look into that.
No, I think.
What do you think? Rolly, I'm saying you have on one eyeglass.
Yeah.
Which one are you seeing? Are you seeing 2 eyes?
I'm seeing through my 2 right eyes.
2 right? So you don't have one left, one right? How do you have 2 right?
One, yeah.
Is that how you are? Sir,
God go with you.
All right then.
I'll go with you.
All right.
I'll give you everything that you need to see properly.
Alright, so
Yes.
based on him attire though, what you think about him? Much you rate him?
I don't like it. Nothing I don't like. I don't like. Nothing is matching. Right now. Roll it, go on. I don't like this one.
How much you rate him?
I will give him a 5 for trying.
5.
And I see the bag. What I want to say? Okay. Calvin who?
Corvin Kinnear.
Calvin. Hey.
Corvin Kinnear.
Calvin Kinnear.
Yeah.
Okay, we give that one a 6. A little improvement. Yeah, swag.
Okay, alright, based on a fair appearance, what you think about it?
All right, I'll give you like a 6.3. You know, I like your voice, but you're not really my type like that. So
I do not want to be your type.
okay.
Yeah, go on now.
Alright, come down to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon on your social?
Alright, my name is Crystal. The only Chrissy on Instagram and one Chrissy Dan on TikTok. Alright, the reason I pop my balloon, him just not my type. And him fat and he's just not my type.
No, I know me that wait, but boy, yes sir, me that wait for the people. Me know. I'm not gonna hear it again. Stop judge people based on them. What? Alright, them slim. Stop do that. You don't know who you are. Like, you get me? I say the person can be nice and to you, and them have on weight. You get everybody slim will deal with you. Them treat you away. So what you gonna tell yourself? Say you're not gonna have nobody around you. We're good. You're gonna start fake it and the people them were slim. Or we treat you away and you get me? I say you gotta just accept it because you don't want to see yourself with somebody with have on weight. Come on, man. You can't lose weight, you know. Nobody not have permanent fat. No doctor, nobody tricky. You need to have on permanent fat. No. Fat can come off, you can take off fat. People can fat and get back slim down to the point where you can't even recognize them. So you don't know me gonna say people. Stop. Me that wait on it. Chano.
But I give him a 4 still.
4 out of 10.
Yeah.
Alright, so if him approach you outside in public, what you say to him?
Huh?
I would say the same.
You see, she's laughing. You know, she's laughing.
Alright.
She would fold.
She's laughing at you, not with you.
Alright.
Me don't know what to say.
Alright then. Based on fair appearance though, what you think about her? How much you rate her?
All right, so I would give her like probably a 4.5. Reason being is that she is not my type, and I don't think she could manage me.
Okay.
Yeah. Being honest.
Alright.
Alright? Yep. Come on to this side. Alright. So, your name, why you pop your balloon on your social?
My name is Pashanti. My socials on IG and TikTok are it's Pashanti, PASHANTI. Pop my balloon because he's not my type.
He's not your type?
5 for trying. I see the effort.
A win
you
is
know.
a win.
The blueprint is there. It just needs some modification.
Oh, when you say blueprint, what you mean?
Like I see what we were trying. Like I see the bracelet and I see the bag. You know, I see the efforts.
You see the bling, yeah.
Right. Just need to swap
Whatever they come from. You know, could I be a comedian?
out some things. You know, like the shirts, the glass. The shoes could work with a different shirts. You know, I see the blueprint. I see it's a 5.
Yo, the man I go off a chronic class swag. Load the dog.
5 out of 10. Alright? What you think about she based on her appearance?
Alright, so I would give her an 8. I really like her smile. You know?
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Alright, come down to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon on your social?
Hold on, where she there go? I can't show she that come from. I must out the door like literally the house cross the road. She live. You know so she now. No, it's not a joke this.
Social?
So my name is Asha. My social is AshX Why I pop my balloon though? I really don't like. It's almost slim. I mean I like it, man.
So that's the reason why.
She running already.
That's the reason why.
Okay, so him too thick.
I don't like it, man, sir. But out of 10, still me get a 6. I don't know the eyeglass come in still, but that's fine.
It's helping me see your beauty.
Oh, thank you.
All right. Based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
All right, so I would give her like a 8.5. You know, slim,
Thank
thick,
you.
my type. Yeah,
Oh, thank you.
All right. Slim thick.
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a no, I'm not
Hold on.
A liar.
Oh
to
yeah,
that,
yeah. I was
so.
just double checking with the eyes. Yeah.
You go on, man.
All right. Come in. All right. Your name? Why you pop your balloon in your social?
My name is Nahela. My TikTok name is Miss Grippy. Instagram Sassy Nana. The reason why I pop my balloon is just not my style. That's the only reason.
Or your style?
Yeah, that's my style.
Okay. All right. So if him approach you outside, what would you do? Or you just say?
Hell no.
If him ask you for your number?
No.
No, if him say.
I have a reason to give the number because that's not my style. I'm not going to stop.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So how much did I rate him?
I give him a 4.
4 out of 10.
Yeah. That's just it.
All right. Based on fair appearance, what do you think about her?
All right, I would give her like, let me see, hold on, I'm counting. I'm gonna give her a 7.5. Yeah, she got a nice body,
Thank
you know?
you.
Yeah. And I like the natural dark skin too, so
Thanks.
yeah.
All right. That's
Something
good.
my future wife would have, but you see, I told you, it's all different when you're in person. So you just have to know what you're doing.
That's just mine.
Oh, okay. All right. Your name? Why you pop your balloon and your social?
Hello, my name is Marva. On TikTok, chocolate skin, Marva chocolate skin. On Instagram, smiley_Marva. The reason why I pop my balloon, oh God. Me not like that, man. You know, put yourself together. Me not like how you look. You need that haircut. Me not like nothing about you. But nice trying still. That's it.
You need a haircut on team ear.
I don't like it.
It's a taper fade.
It's a taper fade.
No, I don't like it.
All right. So you say if him did get a haircut, it would have better.
Maybe that bring up him face a little bit.
Yeah, should I see the coolie here and thing?
Where is the coolie hair?
It's in my hair.
Coolie hair, they're right here. See there? Coolie hair, they're right here.
Okay.
All right. So you give him how much out of 10?
I'm gonna give him a 5.5. Yeah.
Win is a win.
And her based on fair appearance, what do you think about her?
All right, I would give her like 6.8. I like the tattoos. I just don't like your name. You know.
Her name?
Yeah, I have an auntie named Marva. She look good. too, you know?
Miserable though.
Yeah.
Okay.
Auntie shape good too, but yeah. So
Why just in just Man say him say him say no. When just say alright, me did not go back. When him just say alright ago.
Your auntie?
Thank
All right.
you. Thank you.
All right. So you rate her? How much did I rate her?
6.8.
All right. Come down to this side. All right, my G. Everybody pop them balloons, so
Yeah.
know what you have to do.
Walk with grace.
Hold on. No, I understand what them say now. Why you have the one glasses? I just see what them say. I never understand what them say with the one glasses. Why you have one side of glasses are weird? That is a madman tactic, brother. I don't know no seeing people I don't we wear half a glasses. I tell you, say that brother you could have be a comedian. Yo, I say from long time, watch I never see say him actually have an half a glasses. I brother I want legend. Him, I want legend that you there. Remember me tell you him.
Walk with grace, my G.
Alright.
A lot of grace.
Wait there. Please.
Trust me. I want legendary you that.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm good like a beer. Lord have mercy. What do you even have it? Yes, you did. I like it long time.
Yo, St. Vincent and Trinidad, prepare yourself. DM me on Instagram if you want to be a part of the lineup. Portmore, if you need a part to 50,000 likes, me need, okay? Live boss. Oh, you stay so? Eh? Active, you know? Yeah. All right, you ready for the next meal? No, no, sound ready. All right, then send in the next meal for me now. Please, we can't wait until him reach out to sir.
You really
Okay, that's very good. I like that. Wait. Please like this.
That's true. Then wait till him reach down. Then I wait till him say him name. And then pop.
Yeah, come to this side.
Alright?
Believe.
Your name? Introduce yourself.
Dalamar, you don't know, Portmore artist. You see me? Producer, also entertainment owner. You see me?
Alright, what your social?
Oh yeah, Dalamar Music.
Mike.
Dalamar Music at Instagram. I don't know, Bang Bang Boop on TikTok. You see me?
My G, alright. So, what's your type though?
I really have no definite type, you know. You see me? Slim, thick. As long as she nice, you see me?
Yeah.
Nice girl, I like.
Alright, I know what. Alright. So when it comes down to a girl, you bring her out. Like, what ideal place you bring her?
Somewhere, you know, she can, you know, snap some nice meal on him, something there. Yeah. You don't know, the woman them like snap meal on him thing there. You know, them like. So now understand what I mean by snap meal. Yeah, it. Snap meal.
Snap.
You love snap, you not eat, you not video on him somebody. So wrong with that.
So, alright.
It means so many years when him say, you see, so many things that some woman come like, you know, assume things when we say things, assume, so we say. When the man just says snap, meals, when them go out, like something like a fancy restaurant, the man not talk KFC or Burger King, never say KFC or Burger King. When know that go to pop up in them head like them and say, you know, go something for go buy a piece of chicken. No, you know, probably it's a fancy restaurant to me. You know, everybody pop them balloon because him say. And then this is one you got to talk about, a modern time. What that mean? What you mean? The man say, you know, someone can go snap. Snap him saying, what's the one if him say snap? Him can't say snap. I joke this to Rastafari.
Alright.
Picnic.
Alright.
Yes, a modern time. People don't go on picnic.
Yeah, people go on picnic, you hear me, General? I just them woman are not used to nothing. You have some girl right now, them wouldn't mind a man come to them and say, babes, we're going to a park. We're going to Emancipation Park, you know, put out one little blanket, you know, buy up some food, cook some food, carry it, bring out it, picnic them. You know, everybody, enough woman, them love them something, their brother. So you get me, and I say, and I snap him just mean now go out and take some picture and put it up. That's all him say. So you go just, you get me, and say, ladies, come on, man. No man, I can't tell you, so just because him say snap, or him say take picture of food like them things say, him a talk like KFC and Burger King or some little cheap thing. Which he did not say that. And my hear him say, picnic. Picnic sound like a so. Not for them woman and I can't guarantee and what none of them never ever go on a decent picnic. You know a picnic about a picnic. My man take you out and you give me food cook. Blanket out, look music a play. Nobody not depend on them damn phone to actually engage, you know, one another, enjoy in the company. You get me? I said, man, never go on them something here. Get used to things, my girl, and stop sitting and think what you want to think. The man says snaps a pick at some meals. What the man say wrong? Yes, no hold on pop balloon. Listen me. Get yourself together, ladies. That don't make no sense a while ago. The hold on the pop. Me think saying that pop for something more. I think we that pop for something more. Like, you know, like personality wise. You get me? I say, like, come on, man. Come on.
It again.
Alright, so we're gonna come down the line. We're come down the line. Give me a minute. So we're gonna find out. We got some pops, so we'll find out why them pop the balloon. Who you want to start with first?
You start from right there.
Start right there, sir?
So, yeah.
Alright, come on, right there, sir. Right there, sir. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Hello, my name is Carrie-Ann. The reason why is not even about dinner because I really like those stuff, romantic and all, but me just not like bleacher type. I'm sorry.
Yeah, but figure.
Me just not like natural color.
Figure comes to say the whole long pay balloon before them realize that.
Yeah.
Oh, so just because I'm skin tone?
Yeah. We have two different type of skin color.
No, but in brown. A brown youth.
And black and him face
What you say?
pink whitish.
Him and what?
Black and him face pink whitish.
More of us.
Alright, so based on him appearance though, how much should I rate him?
He's fine.
That's a bleaching problem.
But
And the snap.
Repeat?
no, I don't have a problem with dinner.
Oh, you know,
that's
yeah,
fine.
free.
I
no
pay for
problem.
my own dinner, by the way. So yeah.
Well, if me I take you out still, anything.
Okay, if 50-50 coming on nobody, I'm not over me. So
True.
yeah, but
Just
it's
accept it now. Walk with your money now. Why you make it so hard? Why you insist and I make it seems like the man? If somebody yes man tell you know say them thing they would push good men away from like any good man. If you come tell him and say I take you off your date. And in the conversation while you are talking, you gotta say to him say, yo man, you me 50-50, you know, come here, bring my money to pay for my thing. Now I make a boy style. Like, you know how intelligent you gotta sound and look. It no matter how you say it, you could have said it in a softest voice, you could have said it like a ghetto girl. Anyway you say it, you might start looking like, cause you might say, but me say me a carry out on a date. You understand me why all of us, why I make it look so? Me say you get me, I say me carry out, me say me have to say me are the man, me go pay for certain things, me pay for everything. If me never they go pay for nothing or pay for half. Me that's you say me say when you make certain time you know open the mouth and start sound intelligent too. You can't might look good, you know, but then when you start talk, man, when you open the mouth and you start chat some little things, when you sound ugly. You look pretty, but then you start sound ugly because you get me. I say like I agree. I say think if a man say I carry out on a date, don't say to him say yo me I carry my money and fit carry your money. Just carry it. You get me? You don't have to say it to him, carry it in case anything go on, you have it. You walk with a card, walk with your 50,000, how much any money you want to walk with. But you don't have to directly say it to the person or say it to the man in their face. I say, you get me? I say, sometimes they push your man, ladies. Me I tell you the truth. God.
8 for me.
8 out of 10? Based on her appearance though.
Like, yeah, nice 9 out of 10 one. She nice, you know.
What you like about her?
She put herself together still. I like her smile. She remind me of somebody. Yeah, she have a nice one.
Alright, that's not bad. Yeah. Alright, come down this side.
Alright.
Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Hello guys, my name is Abby. You can find me on socials at Abby Content Creator on TikTok. Yeah, and on Instagram I am Daniel_OV.
The reason I pop my balloon, you're an artist.
You're an artist.
You.
Oh, me?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
I don't.
You don't like artists?
No.
Be specific why you don't like artists.
Because
yeah,
when you tend to go out with your male friends, any performance, you come home with at least 10 females number in that form. You cannot tell me anything.
Well, that is a sure thing. If you come home with
me and you both know.
But I'm an upcoming artist when I reach pan level.
Whether it is coming or upcoming, you are still you are not loyal. You guys are not loyal. And the color is just not coloring, sir. I said the color is not coloring.
The color is not coloring.
No.
There's a man loyal and the color is not coloring.
Sir, your pigmentation is not pigmenting.
Is a pigment now pigment?
Jesus. Rolly, did you not
Alright,
hear me?
yeah, him here. So how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I will give him a solid 7.5. Solid. It is solid. Okay.
Alright.
Yeah,
So,
how much?
based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
Alright. And when I generalize still, you're not really my type. I'm not be disrespectful. Yes, you're not really my type.
Thank God.
I'm very like, most everything. Two of them not really. Slippers not really. We are talk about appearance. But I still give you 8. Because you're a woman, I'm a great woman. You come here and showcase yourself.
I respect that
Yeah,
one.
but appearance, that's that. Everything
Thank
good
you.
still.
Alright.
Yeah.
Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Alright, my name is Crystal. The reason why I pop my balloon, not everybody into like the picture thing, like not everybody dig that shit.
You don't have to take a picture
But
either.
but I give you 8.
Oh, 8 out of 10. Okay, alright.
Ladies, if him say snap, why you get say you have to go snap pictures? Why you not get out of that say him simple mean say him would have take you out pan a dinner to get. That's all him a say, you know. It's just that him say it in a way where I just you have to interpret it. Him not force you to take a picture. Him not say if him carry out gas dinner, you have to take picture and put it up on your Instagram for sure say somebody buy you something for eat in the night there. Him never said that. Him just he get interpret like make sense out of nonsense. Uno love assume. Uno love ladies me talk. Uno love assume. Uno love interpret. Why not interpret the thing them way if it actually make sense? Uno love do that. So do when you get me say the man why you should say and everybody in the picture taking. The man never say you have to take a picture. Come on, ladies, man. I tell you, sometimes no priorities them dog.
And based on him appearance 8. And if him approach you outside, would he have gotten your number?
No.
Okay, so not just because the picture thing him talk about then.
Him might just not my type, but yeah.
Alright.
Some of them girls are liars. You see, clout is something enough woman in a Jamaica can't go around it. You see, clout, money, car, party, liquor. You could have been the prettiest. Once you start to the clout and the image and the ray, you don't care if him a bleacher. You don't care if him. You just want some money. What you mean? If she ever party on the stage performance and when him done perform off a stage and him give a good performance and him clean and in a night there and him step to she, her panty get wet. Oh yeah, tell me say. What you say? Him done perform off a stage. Whole heap of girl they are real female and she did a real fee because she could know one nice song them when you sing. And him fresh on the clout and the money and everything and dance just gonna and she a go home. And him step to she and say, I want to baby, you don't have to take a taxi go home and you can roll. I want to you. She jump in that car fast like a robot taxi, like an actual taxi she gotta take go jump down the road. Fast to in her front seat. But you shouldn't look. So she talk about how if him see she in a pub, if him approach she in a public, she not stop. I try to show you the pan, man. No bother with it, man. I try to show you the pan, man.
Based on her appearance, much should I rate her?
Alright, man. She nice, man. I rate her nice 8. One thing me have to say though, turn it a little bit to the left. No, man, you should even do a person, my friend. We do that keep a neck up, person.
I not have to keep a minute.
You know, how about that? Roll it. Am I alone, see? Alright, move along. Me get a nice 8.
8, alright.
Yeah, me get a nice 8.
I burn.
Oh, me still,
Okay.
yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Prashanti and I popped my balloon because 2 things. One, complexion.
Yeah, I know it's a problem, but alright, continue.
Right. And 2, your chin.
Mm-hmm.
You see the triangle and the eye and them something there with
Big
on your
money.
chin. I got to work with sir. That
Big
is
money.
not for me.
Alright.
So you know, besides that, like a 6, you know, calm,
Not a
cool.
problem with them.
Alright. Based on her appearance,
She
much you
nice,
rate her?
man. She nice. I see her from earlier. She nice. You see?
Thank you.
But I give her a solid 8, see me. I don't have no problem, no far, nothing.
What you like about her?
She put herself together. I like her swag. She not go hard. She go formal and nice. You see? She no OD.
Hey,
Alright.
hey, mama walk with a package there, you know. I never see it, you know. Mama walk with a package there. Boom. Hey, people. Come in to see it. No, me not like, no, Jano style. Me not like that. But people, no, me a man. Me can't, I have to see it. Me a man. Sorry, me a man. No, I have to see it. If it look away, so me a partner thought, I'm sorry, but me a man. Me see it, and me say it. Beat me in the comment. Beat me in the comment section.
Yeah.
This side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
So my name is Ashoy. Why am I pop the balloon still? The artist thing I mean, not gonna work. Not gonna work.
Rough. Yeah,
That's
man,
it.
rough, man.
But apart from that, still you're good.
Yeah, man,
Understand? It seems like you have a nice personality.
Man, I'm comedic, man. I'm everything, you know.
Yeah, I can see it now, yo. But I have a problem with the bleaching, you know, and whatever. But I just look at artist business. And out of 10,
Much you rate him out of 10?
you can get a 9. Him not look
I
bad.
love that. But as mother says still, more explain about the artist thing
You can
and
go
the
ahead.
bleaching thing. You see me? Bleaching, when I want to say when I bleaching is a problem, when I forgot right through.
No, I didn't say it was a problem, love.
It was a problem.
No,
she
it
said-
wasn't a problem.
Oh, she did.
Yeah.
Oh, alright. So
I
me
said
talk
the
over
only
her.
thing
Me talk
is
over
just
her.
the artist thing.
Yeah,
I didn't
me-
have a
alright.
problem with the bleaching.
Overall, the bleaching thing, we feel it bias. Everybody have their own opinion. We feel it bias. Cause me know. You see, me know. And girl go
Yeah,
for
you
like.
see?
But anything, you look nice.
Yes, so me a talk with you, what I'm say? It bias. Because him know say, woman go off a likes, a clout and money. Every single one of them female, and I can guarantee say, if they don't know, and an artist pop up on them certain way, and start show them a different life, then jump on the bandwagon like, all them I talk about all them. I'm not talking to the artists. Me not like artists. Them jump on the what you call it? Bandwagon. Fast too. Quicker than an Arsenal fan. Remember me tell you.
Nice. One problem I have. One problem I have. And it's a history cause I have a problem with it. Eyelash.
Oh, that's
I
fine.
go to the girl already and eyelash fly off for me.
For true?
I'm afraid I.
She never do it.
God
good,
no, I'm
baby.
afraid I. I swear.
She never
And the
do
whole
it
night,
good.
I one eye alone she have a glitter. The next eye gone.
So she not take off the other one?
No, she carry it all same
I'm
way.
a man
I
that.
swear, so I'm kinda, but you're nice, Tim. But I give you a 9.
Thanks, love.
9.
You see me? You're nice, man.
Alright. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
My name is Ahela. The reason why I pop my balloon, I'm an adventurous type. I don't like bleach out face person.
Oh, adventurous type come with she not like bleach out person. Yes, so me I tell you, yes, so me I talk about. When them talk, just pick sense out of nonsense. Because you being adventurous, not all to deal with if the man bleaching or not.
I like my dark skin.
Like a dark skin too.
Oh, meaning you're adventurous, you're out in the sun a lot.
No, like paintballs and all those type of shits.
Oh, because him say take pic on the dinner.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I don't like artists either.
Also, you say problem is bleaching on the sun. You say you do activities, adventures. But bleaching and stuff
That's
is
not my
active.
type. I like my dark skin.
Over.
Listen, cut the and that she me and every she talk. Every she talk. She just talk a while ago. They might try to make it for understand what she has said, but you can't understand something you can't understand nonsense. She's saying she's adventurous, not have nothing for the she never mean say she want out in the sun and like she want to do activities. She like activities. Really? Where you tell? Oh, you know that piss me off for girl tell me that. The reason why she don't like me because she's adventurous and she don't like me because my skin too light. And she want to go out and go out in the sun and go to the beach and me did tell her say I can't go to the beach? Who did tell her say people who are bleach can't go out in the sun? I don't understand where you get that. So she's saying she's adventurous. I know never that she means. She just say something. She just want to say something other from she don't like the bleaching because she know that she got to. She don't like the bleaching and that's it. Because that everybody been a say. She saying she's adventurous, not have nothing at all. Nothing at all. Snap if him say him a go snap a pic, him a carry out a places where you can snap pics of meals. Just by saying that no mean say him not adventurous neither. I mean say him not go. You get me not understand that I try to say ladies. Me not understand what no mean sometime. And sometimes that man I look on them not understand what no mean and them just take it as sure. Move on here, because I don't understand what that means. Because if you text me that or tell me that, I probably have a big question mark over your head. I say, I wonder if there's a mad man this not that do.
Wasn't about much experience adventurous, and you probably feel like bleaching up with that in the me from the adventurous with you. Me I show you say it wouldn't stop.
But I just give a 7.
Yeah, I understand.
7 out of 10 need a rating? Based on her appearance, much I rate her?
She nice, no. I'm not telling her lie. Nice black skin, everything. I like appearance with everything though. You see, toes. He's a man, me. My eyes if it toes. My eyes and for toes. You see. I thought that's one thing still. She put herself. I'm not go on. You see, she, yeah.
Alright.
I rate her nice. 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Yeah.
Alright.
You know.
Alright.
Give you a chance for talk, you know. You know. You know.
Alright, hold on. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Marva.
Yeah.
Why pop your balloon?
Him know.
Marva chocolate.
Him know. We never did have to come here so we do this.
Yeah, we could have do it in our private session.
Yeah,
No, but
you
we want come see.
we have that thing there.
Me still want come see what you have to say. Me you pop your balloon for me.
Me not go do it here, son.
You know
You know which part to find me.
Alright.
Wow, history there, sir?
Cool. As me say still, it's a nice 10. She know already. She know say link connect already. You see it, all you pop your balloon for me. You know say link connect.
No, we're not supposed to do that, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, alright. You don't want to tell me, pinch me and tell me, please.
Yeah, I want to know to pinch me and tell me to please.
Alright, so how much did I rate it from 1 to 10?
100.
Yeah, man, believe, man. Just believe the one. Just believe, man. She know where the connection I come from.
Alright. Based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
100 she get to, man.
Come on.
100 she get from day she forward me and say, yeah.
100 out of 10.
Marvelous, man.
Alright, no problem. Come to this side. Alright, my G.
Yeah, man.
Everybody pop them balloons so you know what you have to do.
Walk with grace and faith.
Walk with grace, my G.
Alright, come. Where up, come?
How can I history this? Are you ex? Are you ex? Man? How are they backside this? Watching a man, want to remember. Say, a sponsor the video. So, come to this side. This side, Muji. Alright. Bless up. Alright. Introduce yourself. Your name.
Hello, ladies. I'm Roman. Rohman. Can look for it on Instagram.
Alright, Roman. Alright. What about
Roman? Rohman.
Roman. Alright. What about work you do?
I'm a floor lead at a call center and a sales account.
Sales.
Apart from that, though, currently working on a novel. The title is A Bitch is a Wife. Look out for it, ladies. It's a romance novel. I'm building a company also, which is a recording studio and other things where we shoot music videos. I myself do music, so we have some things that we'll be putting out.
I would say like a project you deal with, like a body of work.
Fully. And separate and apart from that, last but not least, I'm a model, ladies. So I'm currently doing some work with Wakiti Talk. You can see their burner right here. You can check them out also on Instagram, you know. Yeah.
Alright, not bad. And what's your type?
Type, that is, well, I'm multifaceted when it comes on to females. You know, first is attraction, and then you get to know the girl and see what she's about.
True.
You can move on from there.
Oh, so you have to know a girl first before.
But physical attraction is first, you know.
Okay.
If a girl look good,
Alright.
so it starts from.
Alright.
Definitely.
Alright. So, and when it comes down to a female, what you hate most about them? Like,
No, a female wanna have good personal hygiene. Attitude is fine. Women have emotions. We can deal with that because we're emotionally intelligent.
Alright.
But if a female not have good hygiene, we can't work with that.
Alright, so that are like a pet peeves.
Yeah, we can't work with that. None at all.
Good hygiene. Alright, so nobody pop their hold on. Nobody pop their balloon. You see it? Alright, so
It's fine.
Happy.
oh gosh, man. My bad, sorry about that. Yeah?
No, man, that's all fine. Women have their preferences.
Yeah, understand. Alright, so we got some pops. I gotta find out why them pop the balloon. I start with that side. Yeah.
No problem.
Right, sir? That's the right, sir?
Right here.
Yeah. Alright, your name? Why you pop your balloon?
My name is Marva. Not my type. I can't walk around with it bleachers. Nothing is wrong though, but you're just not my type.
That's fine.
Okay. But I give you a 6.
6 out of 10?
Yep.
What kind of throw it off though?
The ear white, the beard black. I don't like it.
You just say me as a model though. Fashion.
I don't like it. That's not my thing.
Understand. So based on her appearance, what do you think about her?
She's attractive. I like the tats. You see me? So we can work with it. 7 out of 10 fully.
Thank you.
7 out of 10?
Definitely, yeah.
Could I work with that?
Yeah.
Alright, come down to this side, Muji. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Nahelia. The reason why I pop my balloon is just not my style.
Style as in him style?
Like the ear. Don't like it at all. For me, I'd give you a 7.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Alright. Based on her appearance though, my G.
Dark skin girl, we love them. Same way, 7.
7?
Yeah, and the nose pierce. We love the piercing them, so I work with it.
Thanks.
Yeah? Alright. This side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
So my name is Asha. One pop balloon. I just feel like you just look way older than me.
Okay,
You mind if you tell me your age?
No, we not tell age and birthday because see what you say, female have to judge based on age and birthday. Like them say February man stay so and December man.
Oh, I'm not judgmental in me still. But as I say, you kind of look way older than me.
That's
not
fine.
gonna lie. You're alright and thing though.
Alright. How much should I rate her based on her appearance?
Nice girl, slim as. I figure 8. You know?
Thank you.
Oh man.
How much you rate him?
You can get a 9.
9 out of 10.
He's a fashionista, I guess.
Fully. That
Yeah,
is
man. You can get a 9.
That is it.
Why you have flap it?
Roll it, move along the line.
Okay. Alright. Come on to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Alright, my name Crystal. The reason I'm popping balloon, your ear color, your eyebrow, and the
So me have to bleach me hair black and forward back, right ladies?
and the nose
That's different,
piercing,
yeah.
I turned me
So I
off.
say bleach it back. Alright, that ladies in Yeah. The ear, so the ear.
And the
Alright, no worry,
eyebrow,
ladies.
and the eyebrow like,
Alright,
What the
ladies,
fuck?
me understand. No problem.
and your nose piercing too.
Yeah.
That just
No problem.
Outside first, the left part, right?
Right side. No, left side, yeah.
Oh, so you not like him nose piercing?
nah.
Why?
Man for birthday nose?
Well, it's fashion, and if you really know your Afrocentric roots,
Okay.
black male have been piercing the nose from Africa for centuries, baby girl.
Okay.
Definitely.
But that's just a big turn off for me.
That's fine.
Based on her appearance, how much should I rate her?
Very nice girl. We have to give her 8 too. You know what I mean?
8 out of 10.
Yeah, not to say we do like thick women, but you know, very petite. You know?
That give back a 8 too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, come to this side. You pop a balloon just now?
Yes, I did.
Why you pop a balloon?
Okay, so I'm Abby. Hi. I bought my balloon. I'm a modeler as well, but I don't like what I'm seeing now based on my experience with somebody. And the reason why I say that because they turned out to be otherwise.
What do you mean?
Otherwise. What is your agenda?
What she's trying to say is that
Okay.
the man that she was with never really liked females. But baby girl, we are Gaza tug, and we not go the body road, alright? So you pop me call me say, you have vendetta girl.
No.
Oh,
Alright, well, so far. Alright, so how much did I rate him based on his appearance?
I'll give him an 8 out of 10. His drip, nice. Yeah, I like the swag. As I say, I'm a model too. It's just that the hair and throw me off.
Show ya.
But in facial features, nice.
Based on her appearance, Maji?
she's, thick, voluptuous woman. We're give her 7 or 7.5.
7.5.
Yeah, work with that.
Alright, come to this side. Your name, why pop your balloon?
Hi, I'm Carrie-Ann. The reason why is because you have too much piercing and I like your waves and your dressing, but I don't like the hair color and your eyebrow and you look very dark. Yeah, you look very abusive. I'm just assuming.
I look
but
very what? Abusive?
Yeah.
That's not true,
You just look
sweetheart. I be a
dark.
love.
Oh, you go just look pan a man. Out and you don't know somebody, you never know about him yet, and just assume say I gonna abuse your dog. Like, what kind of pass you go through, so that you can look at somebody and out of just looking pan them and hear know them speak, or just you can know say them gonna abuse your dog? Abuse? Like, bro, like, no, man. Abuse is a strong word. You can see red flags in a people. And no say, yeah, them psychopathic, or you get me, say, but how are you going to look at an individual and know say they're going to abuse you? How? Come on, man. I'm going to black out all them words there, because you know YouTube already. Like, goddamn, man. I don't know where she get that from, man.
Make a girl.
Okay, but
Yeah,
you have too much
we don't
piercing
eat
for
women.
me, like 3 hoops. That's...
As I said, sweetheart, if you go back to your Afrocentric roots,
I don't think no
black
man is
men-
gonna
No, I'm not
pierce so
capping,
much.
sweetheart. You need to go to your Afrocentric roots and understand where black men.
Okay.
And that brother you have to understand, say females, them get brainwashed a certain way for like men a certain way. So you can't bash her if you not like men with a lot of piercings. If you have 3 hoop in your ears and 1 bag of this and that, brother, she not gonna like it because in a fear head she thinks that man will do them something there, a fish, which it been come down the line in a history and that been happen. So you can't really put, you get me, and say, come down, if there's no proof in the history, men will have the 1 bag of loop, them and the 1 bag of piercing, them and the tongue piercing and the nipple piercing, them are fish. Them are fish, brother, history show. So if you get me, and say, she I go assume that too. And women and them are gonna assume a lot of things, brother. So if you don't want them assume say that, brother, the 1 bag of loop earring and the no. Understand if you just have one look nose piercing and if your ears pierced, I would say a modern time now. We are moving to things. So but 1 bag of earring piercing and no, and the eyebrow piercing and the no, brother. Women don't like them, so it look feminine to them. I have some man who are Rastafari, what you call it there? Ankle bracelet and all, nose, toe ring and brother, go man, what you doing to them something there, brother? No man, no big man nothing in them something there, man. No big man nothing in the anklet and them. No, that tell me nothing, brother. No big man and no little boy nothing in them something there. Me not care if you want to talk about African roots little more. No. It's just where we are saying right now with the ears piercing and the nose piercing, just them little something there where you get me, I say we just look past. But the anklet and the no, brother. No man no feel weird them something there, dog. Got me, I tell you the truth, brother. If you thinking that your brain say Jamaicans are gonna even allow that for happen, you make a sad mistake. Me I tell you, brother, Jamaica never ever allow a man to be alright. Fit aware now, and me I tell you, unless we get brainwashed again. I'll pass that long time. Do you mean we think we pass that? Long time. Long time.
I'm coming from.
Okay,
Why
I
on the
will.
coming still?
Okay, I will.
But we're coming,
But
girl.
that's it for me. And at 8 is
8 out of 10, you don't rate him at 8 out of 10? And you say just the piercing, too much piercing. Alright then. And you said dark as in aggressive.
you look Aggressive, very.
Okay. Based on her appearance, how much you rate her?
She's very pretty. So her face like probably like a 9.5 or probably 10.
Thank
No, she's
you.
pretty. Prettiest girl right there. So no cap, you're beautiful too. You all look good, but girl, I really like her facial features. Definitely.
All right, thank you.
All right. Down to this side. Right, so?
She's the last one who popped.
Yeah. Why you pop a balloon? Your name?
My name is Fashanti. I popped my balloon because one, your life sounds very festive. Like love.
No, you're.
Said your life sounds like so festive.
Oh,
Love,
festive.
ambition, love going after money, your dreams, all of that good stuff. But like I feel like I would like call you and be like, oh my god, babe, wanna like hang out? Oh, I can't because I have like 15 things to do today.
She's right. That's true. That's true.
That
Ladies, I'm telling this from now. It's either or either. It's either or either. You say if you want somebody who you can just call and him always have time for you. Meaning say you call him just pop up on your foot, can just show your love, show your company at that moment, and then when you tired of him, you tell him for left and him go on back on your yard. You see that the man there? Lazy, broke, him probably mistreat you, him probably have one bag of other woman. The next side now, him actually have money, out there doing thing. Him not gonna have time for you. Him not gonna have as much time for you as you want him to because him busy at do things to make sure say everybody alright. I just say them thing that go mama. You have to easy head up on the left or the right. And you have to understand which side you're up on. Because you can't in the middle, you know. You can't in the middle, you're gonna mess up things. It's either you know send up on the left, meaning saying that him can always be there for you, in company, in time. You get me, say if you want something to lift up, you can call him just come lift it up for you, put it and him gone, and him gone back and do what he want to do. Him just dead there. If you want that type of man, them out there. Them lazy, broke, sometimes they mistreat woman. And you have to want them where on the right, them busy. You can't always call them and get them. Probably them that work, them have this to do, them have family to deal with, and not just you alone. Him probably have him kids them. Him not gonna always have time for your mama. You can't always just take up the phone and just say. You get me? I say worse if you're not married. So we are talking about just starting like girlfriend and boyfriend or just start that. You not gonna always have time for no one another. What to you? You can't get busy too. You get me? I say them thing. Sometimes when you can in a relationship. And you just want to have time together, spend together, and just cherish it. Anytime that is, you just cherish it. You know that say 1 o'clock, him dep on the work, yeah, try call him 1 o'clock. Me know say as a man, you dep on you probably do your thing, your work or whatever you do. I know the timing of your work. Why make a call you at that time? I expect you to pick up and answer. You get me say me da be a fool or me da try to do something for you get me say? So I just them little something there ladies and gentlemen you have to look on his head up on the left or up on the right with them brother. You have some woman you can always call them anytime you call them available. But you know why? Because them yard not do nothing. Just sit down at them yard not doing nothing at all. Just TikTok, Instagram, or if them busy or do something, when you call them, you're not going to get them. And you can't be upset. You have to just know say she busy or do something. That's it. What you going to do? Because you call her, you probably call her 2 times now get her, you start call her 3, 4, 5 till you left 100 missed call. You left this 100 missed call now till you start getting mad, you start go over the girl yard, you start and knock down window when you look. She probably in there do one look a YouTube video just like what me I do now. She probably need to do a busy or do something. You get me? I say, but you are knocked down. Boom, 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 boom. You know, go have a guitar, brother. She busy or do something. She probably a take care of herself, her hair, or do her nails, or do she out with her friend them when I hear it at your time. I don't know, I don't like when you married, I understand if you're married and marriage come with me know, you know, me you go here so, me know say you go here so, me know what time you go, me know what time you come back. You know marriage. One of those girlfriend and boyfriend just start out, you can't expect the woman to just, you get me, I say tell you every damn thing too. Yeah, so you go brother. You have to just know your boundaries there on left and right. You have to just pick all. If you're in the middle, it not gonna work out. Because you gotta try to do the two things them. The two things them you gotta try. She not have time for you, you call her. She have time for you, but now you not call her none at all. You just because you think she busy. She not busy, she there wait for you for call her. You sit down there, me not call her down. I think off. Oh, no girl style me no dog. You may say, come on, brother. Well, people, we have to go watch the rest of this. You don't know me now watch no more. You don't know me now watch no more of this. You don't know me now watch no more of this. So, as I say, troubling TV, you know, go watch the full video. This is a half fight. Go watch the rest of them. I can't watch no more of this. I can't. No, if you watch the previous one, you know say I never there go watch out all this. I can't. No, I can't deal with how them deal with the relation. Thank God me half of the market. Let me settle down and I'm good with whosoever me have. You understand me? I'm good brother. Because them girl over there, I can't deal with it, dog. I can't. Can't deal it. Can't deal it. Alright people, so this is it, you know. Run go subscribe to Troubling TV, run go watch the full video, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. You understand me? Remember to subscribe, share, and like the video to your friend. Alright? But, you know, share the video to your friend. Must I like the video to the friend. I'm saying, my God, people, my God, run go watch it. Wait, you still there? You not gonna watch the video?